Hi there, it's me, Gorgeous Disgrace. Easter's coming, and it's spring. Why am I still wearing winter stuff? Let's get this coat off and get into something more spring-related. Here we go. A fun pink dress. It's a dress. Yeah, so it goes to about right there, and it's perfect for spring. Putting on a bedazzly blazer just to give the extraness. We have our outfit ready for our Easter dinners, but what about our makeup? For the makeup, we are going very pastels. We're going bright, we're going pinks, blues, pastel colors, and I'm going to, not this one, I'm going into 2, 3, and 4 of my Makeup Forever palettes. I'm going to be going into this pink from Makeup Forever, M-806. I'm just going to do the one eye for now, and then I will come and finish the other eye. So I'm going to start with that in the crease. Work on blending the outside edges. And I'm going to go into this brush, into this blue color, E-236, and I am just going to put that right in between, about right here-ish. Blues, pinks, yellows, purples, all those fun colors are what I'm mostly going to be working with. I'm just going to continue that in the crease. And just blending it into the pinks, because we want a fun color. We want a fun and bright, so I'm going back into the pink. Again, I'm just going to blend that over the blue. So we kind of have like blue in here, pink near the end. So it's like 3 colors you all need, really. 3 fun colors. And then taking my concealer, I'm just going to put that right, actually, I'm just going to put my concealer all over the lid. And I am just going to blend that in. I'm going to go back into the blending brush, into that pink color once more. And just, I'm going to blend it right to the concealer. And just smoke it out. For the eyelid, I'm going to be going to this purpley color from Makeup Forever as well. I-918, because I feel like it's a perfect purple. Going into the same brush that I put the powdered the concealer on with. And I'm just going to pack that right on the lid there. And just a little bit more blending. It's soft and pink and light. And then, personally, I feel like I need eyeliner for this look. So I'm going to be going into the NYC Black Liquid Liner. Starting off with my wing first. And there we go. So there's the eye look. And I'm going into this palette. I'm going into the Icon Pro by Absolute New York. And I'm just going into this light color here, this matte color. And I'm just going to put that under the brow. Blending it in with the other colors. There's the eye. I'm gonna go do the other one and I'll be right back. As I was doing the other eye, I thought to do this as well. So just taking a little brush and the blue, the same blue that I used in my crease before, and just a little line right here to here. I love it. I'll be back. Okay, so we got two more things. So I'm gonna be going into the Sephora Full Action Mascara. Damn. I'm just sorry, I was living for my eyes. So we got our mascara and just a bit extra blending. So here we are. Here's the finished eye look. So fierce. Wondering, do I want to do a full face? Kinda just wanted to do a fun eye look. Here we go. Thank you for coming to my fun Easter look. Hope you enjoyed it. And happy Easter, everyone. Goodbye. Have a fun Easter. And if you try doing this look, tell me in the comments below. Or tag me on Instagram at GorgeousDisgraceMUA. Bye, everyone.